welcome to Y4K Kids. I am your Yahvi Kumar. This is Y4K Kitchen. Going to prepare idli for my brother. My brother is sleeping. After he woke up, we will give him idli. First, we will prepare idli batter for idli.
This is all the soak.
Soak it for 2 hours. Now let us grind this in mixie. The idli batter is ready. Add required amount of salt in it and mix it well. After 8 hours of fermentation, we can make idli. Already I have fermented idli batter. Now I will show you how to make hot idlis. On the gas stove, I have kept idli vessel and poured a little water in it. Let it boil for 2 minutes. We can keep the idli plate inside it. Close it with a lid. Now let it steam. Now our hot idli is ready. Let's transfer this to hot plate.
Now the Y4K idli is ready.
One set of idlis over, so we can make more idlis.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.